So, in case of open marriages, do you all think there has been a increase of in recent years? Do more and more couples are they coming in with to talk about open marriages? Is there an increase somewhere you feel?
I don't have any data there because like still now there is no such kind of study because even I was going through internet that okay is there any kind of study in India even not even out this thing, but yes, like if we look about our kind of case flow, even I was talking to my few colleagues, we are getting cases, so that means even if we take that as a sample, definitely it's increasing, or at least the people are coming, so it is there, and I'm sure if people are coming and talking about that, so that means like yes, the kind of uptake is increasing.
So abhi it is in a minority, but specifically I actually sat and researched the number bit before coming for this podcast. Um, if you have to take marriages as a whole, 3 to 7% are open marriages. So that's a very small minority. And this number is only because people are probably still not clear whether they want to call it an open marriage.
Open marriage or not.
So let's say 3 to 7 are the reported facts or the ones you are.
Say the reported number.
And if you add that to that extramarital thing or the kind of adultery, then definitely the number.
वो तो सर हर दूसरे घर में हो रहा है.
So that is.
Yeah, so I think the data right now, if you really want the data, you have to go to every dating app and then find out, how many of them are there.
And if they share that,
They,
so like they will say they are part of it. But
no, I actually have been approached, like you said, no, so that older couple, younger couple. So for me, I think there is a set of young couple only, but they got married when they were very young. So they got married probably when they were 18, the guy was 20, and now they're in their 30s. So they have already been married for like at least 10, 12 years. So for them, they're still young, but as a couple, they're old. So when they were supposed to explore their relationships, they were already married. So like you said, legally bound to another person. So now when they're in their 30s and they're mature, they're like, okay, what are we doing?
हमने कुछ किया ही नहीं लाइफ में. हमने तो एक ही इंसान के साथ लाइफ निकाल दी. No, genuinely, like in fact 2 days back I was chatting with my husband. I got married when I was 24. Both of us were 6 years dating, and I was like, my father had given, तुमको 1 लाख रुपया कमाना, उसके बाद तुम्हारा शादी करनी. You have to be independent, ठीक है? तो हम बोले ठीक है, मेरा अर्निंग चालू हो गया था. So he was like, अब तुमको करना है, तुम कर लो. I was 24. I was excited. My father was 2 साल रुक जाओ, तुमको हड़बड़ी क्या है? I was like, नहीं, कर लेते हैं. So I want to start my startup. उसके पहले ये सब खत्म कर देते. And before him, I dated only one guy. Abhi ka, when the kids are coming in, all these adolescents, young adults, situationships and exploring relationships like on a daily basis, etc. I'm like, हमने किया क्या है? I was telling her, as in literally, कि हमने तो कुछ explore नहीं किया, कुछ देखा नहीं, कुछ किया ही नहीं है. But honestly, we are still happy.
yeah.
मतलब, I don't know, somewhere or the other,
maybe we didn't have option. So now
maybe.
if we have option, then definitely.
ऑप्शंस बहुत थे, कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं था सब दिमाग में.
And maybe right now,
ऐसा था कि अलाउड ही नहीं है, ये कैसे कर सकते हैं. मतलब हम लोग के तो ऐसे था. हम लोग को तो इतना भी बोला गया था कि बेटा जो करना है शादी की बात करना, उसके पहले कुछ मत करना, यू नो, इन द टर्म्स ऑफ सेक्सुअल. तो वो इतना बड़ा स्टीरियोटाइप, एटलीस्ट आई कैन टॉक अबाउट गुजराती मारवाड़ी फैमिलीज फॉर श्योर. इन प्रॉब्ली इन द मिलेनियल, हम लोग मिलेनियल्स में नॉट जेनजीज, बट इन द मिलेनियल्स हम लोग को इतना जरूर बचपन से बोला जाता था जो करना है शादी की बात करना. तो वो एक माइंडसेट, एक स्टीरियोटाइप इतना घुसा हुआ था दिमाग के अंदर कि नहीं यार, लड़कों के साथ शादी के बाद ही कुछ कर सकते हो, उसके पहले कुछ नहीं कर सकते. एंड आई थिंक अ मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज in the Marwadi setup and Gujarati setup think like this.
No, another thing, when you have a kind of romantic or emotional relationship, so there is not that big problem. But when it's a kind of sexual encounter, sexual relationship, then becomes problem.
Yes, so I think exactly that's where the problem starts in. And आजकल के situationships and these small relationships, the impulse and the excitement, like हम लोग का तो 3-4 साल का relation, 6 साल का relation होता था. Then you get married, then you have an exploration. There's so much to do. But I think with the adolescents and the young adults, the impulse acts over love and romance. I think the concept of love, romance has all become like Swiggy and Blinkit. Like I want it now.
I remember this, my mom told a very important thing. I don't know, we went to watch some movie and she saw this, and it kind of stuck to me that हमारे ज़माने में like pehle we used to meet someone and then we used to get married, then was love and then sex. अभी पूरा उल्टा हो गया. अब you meet someone, there is sex, then there is love, and then there is marriage, and then there is lot more. So that's
That's interesting.
exactly how the generational change has
Gen
happened.
Alphas for sure.
And yeah, it's going even more wild. It's going wilder now, I think. Especially our parents would have never, even if this thing existed of open marriages and extramarital affairs, but I don't think so. Our parents could have even understood that there could be something like an open marriage. I mean, explaining to them the whole concept of open marriage, I think they would be in shock, or and they'll be like, "What are you even talking about? This can't happen."
खाली सिंपल डिवोर्स समझाने में इतना टाइम लग जाता है या फिर द मैरिज इज नॉट इवन वर्किंग आउट समझाने में इतना टाइम लग जाता है. ओपन मैरिज तो बहुत बहुत ही ज्यादा दूर.
I think the way we look at marriage, like earlier, it was more of a kind of social thing. Now it's a kind of choice and choice between two people, and you have options also. The dating sides and the kind of other sides. Even if you are like, if you want to come out, then you have choices. Earlier, like family is deciding. See, even love marriage also like that. You have a kind of restricted area, restricted place. Now you can like sitting here, I can have affair with a girl in Jammu and Kashmir. So that is. So I have that wider kind of range and wider options. The other way around also. So then we get to know that okay, whether I can like have longer kind of relationship with that person or not. So I am in a position, and also the emotional part. Earlier marriage was more of a kind of responsibility, as you said that okay, now you are working, so you get married, you have children, but now even not thinking about children, but you can think about marriage. So that kind of choices.
Also the power भी था.
Power भी
There was a power struggle also.
Yes. Yes.
जो अर्न कर रहा है उसके पास डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर है, ये पावर है, वो पावर. जो घर चला रहा है उसके पास अपना थोड़ा बहुत पावर. पेट्रियार्की बहुत मैसिवली काम करता था तब. अब तो equity, I would not say equality, I don't believe in the word equality, but equity has come in such a way that today if I have worked and come back at 8 o'clock, my husband has come at 8 o'clock, he will not expect me to give him a glass of water or vice versa. It will come out of love कि जो थोड़ा कम थका है वो एक दूसरे को दे देगा.
हाँ.
या जो थोड़ा कम थका है वो कुक कर लेगा, नहीं होगा तो ऑर्डर कर लेंगे.
So it's respecting each other.
Exactly. Mutual respect है जिससे I think open marriages का concept probably
We can
शुरू हुआ
respect
था.
each other's boundary, and like earlier there was no boundary kind of thing. If I'm your husband, then I can like take even to any places like your personal.
Women take it also. उन लोगों को सिखाया भी है.
There's no personal space.
हाँ मतलब आप स्वामी हो, आप जो भी बोलोगे I would
See, about generational grooming where women were like, this is it. That's my area. I
And
can't
ये
step out.
stereotype इतने generations में चला गया ना विक्रा that समझ लीजिए कि I come from a very modern and non-conservative family. तो भी आज जब मेरे मदर इन लॉ या फादर इन लॉ होते हैं तो उनको खाना सर्व करना बहुत ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाता है. Even when I'm tired,
Yeah.
even when I feel that they don't need that from me also, if I don't do it, it feels that I'm doing something wrong.
Because it's in your mind.
Because I've seen it for what 20-25 years, modeled behavior.
And it's kind of quote unquote culture.
Exactly.
Or we call it Indian culture.
मम्मी के
or-
संस्कार है, मम्मी ने सिखाया है तो अपने आप आता है.